1980, I was gonna say 5, but it's a 6. Camaro, 3.1 liter V6. It's the thing that counts as a Berlinetta. Doors are fucked. T-top, that's pretty cool. 1986, before airbags were mandated. Firebird convertible. 91 RS. 91 RS. 94 Silverado over there. 90 Firebird. Always love these 3rd gens. We'll use this one. 85. Wait, is it a Buick? Yeah, it's a Buick. Doesn't have a Buick brace. First, let's check the interior. Oh, it's clean-ish. Other seats, column shift. 137,000 miles. They fucking junked it. It has the Vista roof. I love that. Vista roof on the top. So the door panels with the lights in them. Buick brace, Buick brace, Buick brace is at 1. Fuck, I can't tell. I don't see one. It's rustier than I thought it would be. Buick. There's a one without. There's one like this without the wood paneling. It was here a while ago. It's still here. 94 Caprice. Capiche. Roadmaster. 91, 144,000, custom sunroof. How's it going? Last year, manual transmission, so this, yep, RS, knew it. C4 Corvette over there. $142 junked her. And then from here it's all neons and K cars.